Writing a blog has been a very big challenge since time immemorial. Today we are going to iron that out and we will write beautiful pieces short after this lesson. So pay attention and please know that a blog is just any article. It's just any article or news piece or guide that is published in the blog section of a website. What is a website? A website can be a web page. A website is a page on internet. You have a book in your bag with many pages that you write through. Now, when you write a blog, you assume you are writing on a page on internet. So just know that a blog is an article. An article is anything that you read. You find it in newspapers. The difference is that this blog, you have to assume that you are writing it on internet. That internet is going to be your book or your answer sheet during the examination session. A blog post typically covers specific topics or queries. It is educational in nature. The main purpose of this is to educate, but it can also cover things like beauty products, recommendations, travel and vacation trips, personal blogs, and many other things. So know that you can read an article about beauty products, and that is a blog. What if you find a topic in the exam asking you to write a blog about beautiful places in your country, or you just become a blogger who is having passion in writing about the beautiful places or the wonders of your country? Then you would want to include some of those pictures, some of those beautiful places. You have so many beautiful places that you can include here. The Sossus Place, the Etosha National Park, and so many. You can write a blog very about anything. In your case, you are a learner. You may write a blog to advise others on the importance of education. You can write to others, or you can write a blog to tell others about the importance of confidence, about anything that is educational. So know that your blog should give clear information and provide answers to the people reading it so that their queries are resolved. When you are writing on a web page on internet, you can use pictures of different kinds. But now you are going to write in the exam and you do not need to draw anything. So what you need to adhere to is the format. The first thing that you need to be aware of is the title. Your title should be short yet interesting. That is what we call eye-catching. You underline it neatly. Then you have the byline. A byline, who is writing this blog? That is your name. If you want, you can add the date there. When you have your title and the byline, you go to the introduction. In your introduction, that's where you give background information. Your blog is about the importance of education. Tell the readers what education is and its importance briefly, just in brief, so that you do not give out all the ideas in the introduction. You move on to the body where you answer the prompts. Obviously, you are going to be provided with the prompts. Know that each prompt should be tackled in its own paragraph. If you are not given prompts, that means you have to formulate topic sentences so that you have paragraphs with different ideas. And those ideas will be now supported by supporting sentences so that you have meaningful paragraphs. When you are done tackling the topic and you have created a beautiful body of your blog, you can now go to the conclusion. It really depends with how the question comes like. Some of the paragraphs or the prompts may sound like they are a conclusion already. If that is the case, it's fine, but do not forget to remind the people visiting your page to follow you. You can simply say, watch out for the next blog, or click the press the like button or press the follow button so that you are notified. See how you can do it. Do it in an interesting way so that you have a number of followers. Why do you need followers? Because let's assume you are writing, you have become a real blogger. For as long as people keep visiting your page on internet, you are likely to make money. That is why you need to go and research why you need to become a blogger and the benefits that you are going to get from becoming a blogger, and how you can educate others, or how you can entertain, advise, or sell your products on internet. For today, we are ending here. Have a good day.